Little glimpse of our property here. We sit at about 1,950 foot elevation or so. This is the neighbors. We do share a drive. There's the other neighbors over there. I don't think they use that house anymore. This would be part of our beginning of our creek on our property. We just had some heavy rains overnight, so it's going pretty good. Really good. I just put down some fresh gravel the last couple days because we didn't have any up here. This would be our front yard, if you want to call it that, on the top of the hill. The tree blew over in the tornado here about a month ago. We're undecided with what we're doing up here yet, but someday we'll figure it out. Wow. Look at the fog out there. The property goes down this hill, across the ravine, and in somewhere right over on that little hillside there. This creek is part of our place. We have a RV kind of parking. It needs to be redone, fixed up probably. I'd like to build a wall and make it wider and more level in the future. Deer over there. You see those deer? There's like 3 of them. Some right there. That's the deer. See if we can pick them up. Oh, yep, 3 of them. Oh yeah. So our property goes kind of down that way at an angle. This little side piece here that goes around the garage. Someday I'm gonna have to work on cleaning all this junk up. Let's do the back of the house. Creek down there. Under the deck here, we do have a crawl space. It's high enough here on the when you'll go inside the door, and then it tapers all the way up to about 2 foot. This little sucker's going good today. Has potential, just needs cleaned up, make it our own. I really kind of want to walk all the way down the hill. We've never been down there. Nice little rapids. Fortunately, the previous owners dumped a bunch of junk back here. Kind of the country way, I guess. I'll hike down the hill here, maybe. Came down here the second time we were out here looking at the house. I didn't really come past here very much. Sketchy. Wet leaves. Look at them big old rocks over there. This looks like a little trail right there. I think they called those clear-cut trails for way back in the day. Oh yeah. Well, I see our property lines down here. That is freaking sweet. Whoa, what do we got going over here? Wow. This is our property here. We have a goddamn waterfall on our property. Look at that shit. There's our property line down there where the flag is. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm highly impressed. Okay, that's pretty cool. Here's the back of our deck. We have a full wraparound deck. There's a little creek over there. All the leaves dropped the other day, so it's time to clean it up.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.